Imagine a can of soup. If you peel off the paper label and lay it flat, what do you have? A rectangle. Now, what if you could pop off the top and bottom lids and lay them down too? You'd have two perfect circles. That's it. A cylinder, when unfolded, is just two circles and one rectangle. This unfolded shape is called a net, and it's the key to finding surface area without memorizing complex formulas. Let's find the area of those pieces. The two circular ends are straightforward. The area of one circle is pi times the radius squared. Since we have two, their combined area is 2 times pi r squared. Now for the clever part, the label, which is our rectangle. Its height is just the height of the can. But what about its length? Well, it wrapped perfectly around the circular lid, so its length is the circle's circumference, which is 2 times pi times the radius. So the area of this rectangular side is simply 2 times pi times the radius times the height. To get the total surface area, you just add them all together, the area of the two circles plus the area of the rectangular side. The full formula is SA equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. This isn't just a math exercise. This is how companies calculate the material needed for can labels, or how a painter estimates the paint needed for a giant cylindrical silo. And what if that silo has an open top? Simple. You just calculate the area of the side and one circular base. By seeing the cylinder as a sum of its simple, flat parts, you can measure any surface you need.